Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about top 10 errors in Excel. When we are applying formula in Excel, sometimes we will get an error. That error itself contains some hint on it. If you understand the error, we can resolve the issue easily. Today we will discuss how to understand the error with some examples. This is Veeru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Let's come to the topics. First we will discuss about div error. So what is div error? Div error is nothing but this error will occur when we were using formula used when the number is divided by 0. Here we have two examples. The first example, we are dividing the formula with 0. That's why we are getting this div error. Suppose if we are giving any number here, so this error will disappear. So in this next example, so this average if, so we are giving what is the condition here, greater than 500. In all these three, we don't have greater than 500. That's why div error is coming. If you are giving 50, so here it is coming. So what we have done mistake is, instead of giving 50, we given 500. That's why it is coming like that. So next example, name error. So what is name error? This error will occur if the Excel is not recognizing something. Suppose here we have one example here. In this example, we want to sum all these three. By mistakenly, if we have given instead of sum, we given sum. That's why it is coming like that. If you give sum here, then it will come correctly. So when you are getting num error, we have to first check whether we given formula is correct or not. So next example, second example. So here what we have given some number range as a sale. Here we don't have number range called sale, we have sales. So if you change this to sales, then our formula will work out. Hope you understand this error. In our next video, we will discuss NA error and num error. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my videos.